This is the weekly coffee video for the week of Monday, September 9. The market still reflects the December contract as lead. Resistance has changed a little bit, had to tweak it a tad. It wasn't the 97 handle last week, which actually did roughly hold. I don't think we actually tested it, or did we? I know it was 97.85 was one level. I had a couple there. Anyway, apologize for that. In any event, 99.30 to 99.95 is our weekly resistance area. You can see that the 99.30 level is a short-term channel top. Short-term on the weekly chart is actually a 3-week channel top at 99.30. It would look wonderful on a 30-minute bar chart. It would look long-term. but and we also have 99.95 is the high of the low, and this is on the weekly continuation chart, not the December chart. The weekly continuation chart incorporates previous contracts. It's longer term in scope. 99.95 is the high of the move low. That move low was 93.40. We also had a 93.40 low the following week. And so this is our sort of breakout to the upside into October if we close this week Friday above 99.95. Until then, it can contain weekly buying pressures, and until then, the market can actually slip back to 93.70 support, which has been holding well the last few weeks. Last week, did we get down there? No, we got down to 95 even, I believe. I'll get to all that in a moment. But let me just clarify here. We still are in a two-sided dynamic, really through the balance of September between 93.70 and 99.95, with a weekly settlement outside that region, then setting off a signal that should play out into October. So let's go through the scenario of closing the week above 99.95. I'm going to take a look at the chart here. I don't think this 114.82 level should be considered a target. You can see that actually on this chart on the homepage. I'm just throwing it out there as our primary long-term resistance. But I do think 106.95 is likely. And where is that? Oh, it's actually mislabeled as 108.20. That's a speed line that's dropping. So I think that becomes a realistic target. I've got 99.30 here. This is the December chart, by the way, December contract chart. And you can see the low of the high here was 97.85. But I'm going to go back to this. I know it gets confusing, December data versus weekly continuation data. We had a roll from, I believe it was the September contract into the December contract. Obviously, the September contract, a high of the low was 99.95. So to re-clarify, closing the week above 99.95 should actually yield this 106.95 level within a number of weeks, 2 to 3, 3 to 5 at the very most. 106.95 able to contain buying through October when tested, if tested. Now, if we were to take out this 106.95, then yes, indeed, we then have a target in the 110.90 to 114.82 region, and that would then become realistic. That's a long-term overhead resistance area that can absorb buying through the balance of the year and quite possibly well into next. So 99.30 to 99.85, our resistance area for the week. If we close above it, expect that 106.95 level within several weeks, and that's an area that can contain monthly highs when tested. And if taken out, then we expect a bullish continuation into the 110, 114 handles. Let's talk downside. 93.70, the move low from last May on the December chart. We've got a 93.40 print a few weeks back. Last week's low was actually 94.20. So if we close this week below 93.70, just the opposite occurs. We've got 3 to 5 weeks bearish continuation, may take a little longer, down into this 83.40 region. And go back to here, we got 83.40, 83.35. This is an area that can absorb annual selling pressures if tested, and it would become a target by the, I'm going to say, by the end of October if we close this week below 93.70. Along the way, I've got 88.50 as a respectable multi-session containment level, but if we close below 93.70, then expect the 83 handle by the end of October. If we close above 99.95, then expect 106.95 within several weeks by the end of September, able to contain weekly buying pressures. And I might as well put an upward pivot point here as well, because if we closed above 106.95, then that 114.82 formation becomes a realistic objective within 3 to 5 more weeks. And that's really all that needs to be said for this week's weekly coffee video.